All right, it's exciting. I'm stoked. Got on the scales this morning, 209.4. It's March 2nd, 2019. Feels good. Fat guy in a smaller size. Feeling good. Still got a ways to go. 175, you remember, is the goal. I'm excited. You get excited. It's a great feeling. I'm not going to do the happy dance on camera. I'm happy. I'm stoked. Yeah. Hi, this is Matt Perry again. This is video 2 in our series on my weight loss journey. Hopefully it's becoming our weight loss journey with you as well. This time I'm going to cover and try to keep it down in the short 10 or 15 minute video. I'm going to cover MyFitnessPal app. That's a big help. We did some other things before that, intermittent fasting. You can Google that and find out about that. That worked, got me to a certain point, but I found out I was still eating too many calories during the time that I was allowed to eat. So MyFitnessPal has been my go-to, where I got down from 256 to about 235. Had my hernia surgery. Now I'm allowed to exercise, and I was kind of like holding around the 230, 235. Couldn't seem to break that. Well, I found out why. That I was eating the wrong things or too big of portions. So with MyFitnessPal, I found out I can still eat great, watching the portions a little bit, maybe making some better choices. So this is where we're going to start, is with the MyFitnessPal app. It was recommended by a female bodybuilder, as I referred to before. It's a good program, and if you stick with it, put everything in, you just don't put the eggs that you're cooking and everything, but what kind of oil are you using to on the pan. There's some better choices there, and this helps you to find those choices and make improvements. Little changes make a big difference, and the pounds are dropping off. Weighed in this morning, 208.6 pounds, by the way, and today is March the 6th, 2019. Not sure how soon the video will get out, because this is just the very beginning. But that gives you an idea. We're making progress. Okay, we're going to move on now to the MyFitnessPal app and give you some help with that. I do my exercise at the start of the day. So I go to MyFitnessPal, the app right here on my phone. I'm going to use, instead of a finger, which blocks everything, I'm going to use a stylus. Open that up. This is the screen it opens up to. Hit the plus sign, and in this case I'm going to add exercise right here. Cardiovascular is what I do. Very brisk walking, and it shows 87 calories I'll burn during this very brisk walking. I hit the check mark, and you see it added to my daily goal 1580 an extra 87 calories that I can choose to use. A closer view for you. Now I'm also wanting to add, go back to the home screen, and I can add again when I'm ready to put my breakfast in. Now I just hit food, and we can hit breakfast. And then I can select from foods that I've eaten before. I can scan up and down the list. If I only have a certain amount of calories left, it shows how many calories for particular foods. Some things are very low. Some things are treat yourself, but be careful what else you eat for the day. Get that up a little bit. So in this case, I've got some pre-saved meals which you can do, and put pictures with them as well. This morning, I think I'm going to find my Normandy blend meal that I like. Scan on down. see I got quite a few to choose from. There's the Normandy blend. When I touch on this, it shows the calories, the carbs, the fat, the protein. Here's the items included in that meal. 1 banana, 105 calories. The Normandy blend, I actually do 3 cups of it. The serving size is 1, but 3 cups of it is still only 80 calories. And I love my veggies. I'll drink a glass of unsweet tea, green tea that is. That's 0 calories. And I like a grill seasoning on it. It's a Longhorn Steakhouse grill seasoning. It adds 0 calories as well. So that's going to be breakfast. I'm going to add that to it. So now it shows 185 calories. It shows my breakfast here in the breakfast area, and I've still got 1,482 calories for the rest of my day. Now, let's say that I wanted to add another item. Let's say I wanted to add some eggs. I want to eat a couple of eggs, but let's see, I haven't eaten eggs before. Let's scan. Hit that little barcode and we'll scan. Oh, and I just happen to have a carton of eggs handy. All right, there's the barcode. We'll get over here, we'll scan it. And it shows eggs, 70 calories. Has 0 carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 6 grams of protein. And today, I want to do 2 eggs. I'll change that from a 1 to a 2. Save it. And now that I've got 2 up there, I'll hit my check mark to load it in. So that added to my breakfast the eggs. Now, things to think about. What are we going to cook our eggs in? Well, a non-stick cooking pan, but what I found that non-stick means less likely to stick, so you still need some kind of a lubricant for the pan, some kind of an oil. And there's choices there to make. We'll talk about choices at another time here, but we can go in and put in the cooking oil that we use. Alright, my finger works better here. And I found a non-stick cooking spray. Can't talk today. Alright, well, if you don't have the patience, you can always go to where I have egg sandwich, enter that in, and then eliminate the things that I had there. I'm going to use some sea salt as I cook it, so we'll leave the sea salt there. I'm going to delete the orange juice. I'm going to delete the extra egg I just added. I'm going to use the pepper. I'm not going to use garlic salt on it. So delete that. And I'm not going to do a sandwich. I'm just putting it on a plate. And there's my non-stick cooking oil. It's a spray. 5 pumps is what they recommend, but I find 10 pumps works best, so I'll be using 10 pumps. So there it is. And I had a banana in that one too, so I'll delete one of the bananas. So there's my total breakfast with 2 eggs, the Normandy blend, a banana, green tea, and I'll put some water there as well. Always drink water with every meal. So I'm going to use just 345 calories of my original 1580. So a good start for the day, nutrition, and get some protein in there to help for after my exercise program. Okay everybody, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get upcoming videos. I'm going to be making more of these until I reach my journey, the 175, maybe even after that to maintain it. But join my journey, and to do that you just need to be committed to getting it done, and I'll coach you as best I can, and you can have your own journey and arrive at your own goals. Upcoming videos, I'm going to share with you the exercises that I do, the increased activity to help. If you're doing none, doing something helps. Just a little change, a little bit of change makes a difference. You can't overdo it. You can't solve it all in one day. It didn't take overnight to put the weight on if you're overweight like I was and am. But it takes time, and you can't rush it. You can't just not do any calories because you'll hurt your health. You'll actually mess up your metabolism. Your body goes into panic mode saying, I better store fat because he's not feeding me or she's not feeding me. Excuse my voice. So join the journey with me. I'm going to share with you also food choices, better, best, and just good things to do, different choices you can have. You have to have something that you can enjoy, something that you will eat. You know, you can't say, well, I hate broccoli, but I have to eat broccoli, and you won't stick with it. It takes determination, but it also takes common sense to work smart at reaching your goals. Anyway, we're going to share this. I'm going to try to encourage you, keep you with updates on my progress, and I would just like you to join my journey with me. Thank you for watching.